894. My name's Kanji Coder. We have the idle, tripped, and about to explode bomb states. Let's go look at how we're rendering that. Source code is here. Okay, in the arc-roll shader strings within shader source fragment number 8, which is the bombs for draw shader, inside of the main function for the bombs for draw shader, inside of render collected binary tiles, within inside of this bomb tile bit section, we've added a new section called bomb state configuration. We're going to extract the bomb state enumeration. We remove the strobe multiplier because now we have strobe multiplier body and symbol, and strobe multiplier body is BS4 minus 1. Symbol strobe is going to be BS4 plus 0, and then we have this tripped body offset that is used to make the body of the tile lighter when it has been tripped. Okay, so if the state is bomb is activated, aka bomb is tripped, then the strobe multiplier body is going to be 0, strobe multiplier symbol is going to be 0, so no animation, right? No animation if we're tripped, but we are going to lighten ourselves up by setting tripped body to 0.5. Okay, let's scroll down here and see where we're using this. So right here, the bomb bit being 1, that's going to be the internal glyph symbol, right? That little plus symbol, that is this section of code. And in here, we have the section called slow glow pulse, and we can see we're using strobe multiplier symbol to animate a blend, right? A mix between the hue of the symbol and gray to make it kind of flash, because it's going to do a sine wave pulse between these two different values here with the mix function. Okay, then right here, if we're on the body of our 9x9 graphic that's being pasted on top of these bomb tiles, then we're on kind of this grayscale square gradient area, and here is the square grad section right here, bomb body flash formula. We have removed the, we shortened this formula, right? Because now we're using a minus equal, and then we're not using strobe multiplier anymore, we're using strobe multiplier body. Now think about this, if the strobe multiplier is 0, then we're not going to animate, right? Because the sign of 0 is going to be 0, and then we're not going to affect the body here, right? And that is what's happening here when we're tripped. Now, if we are about to explode, we're flashing, and that is because, well, this is going to be, well, non-zero when that happens. Now, if we are tripped, the way we're brightening that up is because we're adding the distance from the edge. We're adding 0.5 to the distance from the edge, and we're out of time. Like and subscribe.